This tutorial guides you through adding a new lead or client in ProperFile and converting the lead into a client. You will learn how to enter client details, select relevant options, and save the information successfully. Click Add New Lead/Client to start entering a new lead or client in ProperFile. Click here to proceed to the Client Details entry section within ProperFile. Enter the client's full name in the provided field to identify the lead properly. Enter the client's property address to associate the lead with the correct location. Click here to move to the Contact Information section for the client. Enter the client's telephone number to enable future communications. Proceed to the email address input field. Enter the client's email address to facilitate electronic correspondence. This field is mandatory and cannot be left blank. Click here to move to the Date of Birth entry section. Enter the client's date of birth to complete personal information. Enter all the remaining information fields in this section. And finally, click here to select the client's marital status from the available options. Enter the client's marital status to provide accurate personal details. Click the Case Type drop-down to choose the relevant legal category for the client. Enter the appropriate case type to classify the client's legal matter. Next, click the Marketing Source drop-down to specify how the client found your services. Enter the marketing source to track client acquisition channels. Click here to continue to the Location Information section. Enter the location details to specify the client's area or region. Next, click the Region drop-down to select the client's geographic area. Enter the client's region to complete geographic information. Finally, verify all personal information in this section before saving. Click Save Information to store the client's details securely in ProperFile. You will be redirected to the Leads section. Click the client's name to access their profile and manage their records. Click Convert this lead into client to start the process of converting the lead. Click Yes, Convert it to confirm and finalize the lead conversion into a client. You have successfully added a new lead in ProperFile by entering all necessary client details and converted the lead into a client. Your client will receive an email to create a password to access their client profile. You can now manage the client's profile and proceed with further actions as needed.